Hello and welcome to the Principles of Programming series. This video is going to cover Chapter 5 Labs of Python. So please excuse the echo as it will reduce momentarily. So at this time, go ahead and smash that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you're unable to do any of those things, it's probably because you're not logged in. And if you're not logged in and can't log in, you can create a YouTube account. It is free. It takes less than 1 minute to set up. So go ahead and take the time to do that. So it will help you navigate through YouTube to find your favorite video, your favorite producers, and all of the entertainment and knowledge you seek for on YouTube. Right. So our first lesson is going to be Python 5-5 in this video. Let's dive right into it. The lesson. And here, what our task is going to be, in the lab, you add a loop and the statements that make up the loop body to a Python program provided. When completed, the program should calculate two totals: the number of left-handed people and the number of right-handed people in your class. Your loop should execute until the user enters the X instead of L for left-handed and R for right-handed. So task 1, write a loop and a loop body that allows you to calculate a total of left-handed and right-handed people in the class. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, looking at our code, we have our variables named and initialized. Right total, left total, both equal to 0. Then our left and right equals input. And this is what it says all the way over. It's a long one. We'll get to that. So let's jump in by write your loop here. Let's go there and write the loop. And let's start it with, of course, it's a while loop. So let's start it with while. Left or right. And it equals. And with your quotes, put a big L in there. And we're going to end this with a colon. Go to our next line. We're already indented. So let's put our if statement and go left or right. To the right. And that should equal. Do this on every one. So this one should be down way. Alright, let's go this way and X. X will get us out of there. And L and colon. Alright, got that cleared up. And then let's go down and let's, we did it, so let's do left total. And that will be plus or equal to 1. And colon. Down, let's make sure we're even with our if space. So let's do the else statement. With a colon after else, as always. And then right total plus equals 1. And nothing needed there because output number left handed. So let's go, before we do that, let's do one more thing. Line under L. And let's do our output. Left or right, and put this here to save some typing. And I'll go ahead and edit it to what I need to say. Output. Make sure it's in the same lines. So, we got left or right. We got our input, enter, L if you are left-handed, and R if you are right-handed, or X to quit. Alright, looks like we got that all we need. Thing looks good in space, but we'll come back to it if we need to. Let's run this code. Oh, I see some errors already. Left total, we got total plus equal 1. Okay, we don't need these quotations because we got our else here, and it's got our colon. We got our else here with a colon. Cover that up. And here, left or right, camel case is wrong. Get out. Camel case is wrong. Let's put capital R. And we're good to go. So now let's try to run it again and see what we have. And there we go. Let's go ahead and put these in. So let's go right. R, enter, R, enter. L, enter, L, enter, L, enter. R, enter, L, enter, R. Enter. L, R, R. Oops. L, R, L, X. That double R might have thrown it off. So I did hit exit and didn't do anything. Let's run it again. One more time. R, enter R, enter R. L, 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 R, L, R, R, L, and it's X. There we go. 11, 16, so it added up all of them, but we know we did it right. So, all right. So, so yeah, add it both up. So let's go one more time. X. There we go. 5 and 6, no doubt for that one. Let's calculate our score and see what we got. Let's look at our code while we're calculating it. So if you do need to go back and do anything, start with line 12 with the while statement, or with the while loop. Then go down to 19 with the left or right equals input. Alright, so let's see what we got. We're still calculating. There's our 100%, and we have our green check mark, so we're good to go. So once again, thanks for joining that. Thanks for watching the video. Smash the like, and we'll move on to our next video, or our next lab in this video. So welcome back. This will be a Python chapter 5.6, validating user input. So as we get our lab loaded, we'll dive straight in. Alright, we are loaded up and ready to go. So let's look at our tasks. In this lab, you will make additions to a Python program provided the program is a guessing game. A random number between 1 and 10 is generated. In the program, the user enters a number between 1 and 10, trying to guess the correct number. If the user guesses correctly, the program congratulates the user, and then the loop that controls guessing numbers exits. Otherwise, the program asks the user if they want to guess again. If the user enters Y, they can guess again. If the user enters N, the loop exits. You can see that the Y or the N is the sentinel. It's the sentinel value that controls the loop. Note that the entire program has been written for you. You need to add code and code that validates the correct input, which is Y or N, when the user is asked if they want to guess a number, and a number in the range of 1 through 10 when the user is asked to guess a number. Instructions. Comments have been included in the code to help you identify where these loops should be written. Task 1. Write loops that validate input in all places in the code where the user is asked to provide input. The program can be executed several times to ensure the random number changes. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Do you want to guess a number? You hit Y or N. We're going to hit Y, and then we're going to hit select 2, and then we're going to do this at the end. So we're looking at all the comments. So generate a random number, prime loop, keep it going. So here where it says validate input, this is where we're going to put our code. These 3 areas, validate input. So let's go to the top one. Let's skip a space. Give ourselves some working room. And then we'll start with the while statement. Well, I'll keep going. And we'll use Y. Actually, something is on. Let me retype that. And our colon. Nope. Skip it again. Let's go down to 1. That. Okay. That's correct. So I'll keep going. And okay, we'll use the AND statement. I don't get totally yet. Let's say and keep going. So it goes, if it means yes, if it's yes or no, basically. Now we use our colon. That's much better. And then we go to our keep going as input. Keep going equals inputs. And let's do our parameters. Which we're going to use invalid response, period, and then we will please type Y or no. Y, you can do yes or no. Right. So they've done the loop for us. Enter loop and play. While keeping the Y, and guess who was it? String. Valid inputs. Let's come down here. It's already did it for us. B. And let's do another while statement. While user number is greater than 1, or user number is less than, or user number is greater than 1 or less than 10. So between 1 and 10. Then go down to string number. Inputs. We'll make this say number must be in the range of 1 to 10. 10. Wow. And please try again. So if you get outside that range, you'll get this message. And space. Alright. There we go. And let's do another space. Come back, come back, come back. Alright, so let's do user number. Space. Break up from that. Next, we have test to see if your user passed correctly. If user number equals number, keep going equals no. So basically, if you guess the number, you don't keep going. You are a genius. That's correct. That's what's going to print out. And then our next one, let's see, our else looks good. Next one is validate input again. And we'll go ahead and do that here. Let's hit a space so that we get the right spacing. The while statement again. So while keep going is going. And submit. Right. And yeah, we can leave a code in there. Close our loop. Keep going. Input. And I'll send in. Let's copy it now. Valid response. Copy and paste that. We're going to basically put the same thing. Please type wire in. Colon with a space, so put something blank spot. Okay. Much better. And end a while loop. That's it. And let's take a quick look at it. We start it here. On line 13 and 14, validate input. That's good. Then on 23, 24, and 25, validate input again. 10, less than 102, yes. And got some more code over here, but that's just the printout. This and is telling me I'm wrong. This here's telling me I'm wrong. Last one. So we got while, keep going. We don't need this Y, and we need Y. It's okay. That's what I miss. There we go. Alright. We might have to take off. Let's go ahead and run this baby and see what we got. And do you want to guess a number? Let's do Y. That's the capital Y. Alright, here use caps. Try to guess a number. Instead of guess 2, I guess 2. You're a genius, I guess. So I did do something right with spacing. Please. Let's try again. That's right. Alright, something wrong with spacing is put my numbers right next to it. So what I'll do is find the first value input. Again. Response. So for the response. Space. N. So, okay, that's not me, that's the output. So wire in. It's not giving me input and no response. That's I'm looking at it. Yeah, this one is just gonna be that way, I guess. But it worked. Let's calculate. Make sure that we got that. So waiting for it. Yeah, everything looks correct. I don't know why it's doing that, but that's it. Because it's 100%, we'll roll with it. I think just give it more space, or please take down a number. Do you want to enter a number? Enter a in. So this one that they gave us, we could actually move this over, find the loop. Yeah, we could do this. It's already there. There we go. Y10. Where is this one at? So this is their code that they jacked up. 10. But we can fix it. Let's do it again. Y enter. To enter. Yes, no. Where is this one at? Right here. No. Inside there. Right. Is there anything else? No, that should be it. Let's try it again. Let's go yes, enter. To enter. And do you want to guess? That's not correct. That's not correct. Do you want to guess the right number? Somewhere else early. Alright. So let's do Y. That one is a little weird. Let's see if we can get it to 100%. If you see it, point it out to me. I don't see it. Let's see if we can get it to 100 though, just in case. Alright, still 80%, and it's saying that we did not. Put unable to find number must be in the range of 10. Please. Number must be in the range of 10. So we gotta find it. Right here. It's right there. And right here. That was spot on. One more time. Yes. Yes. 2. Yes. What was that? And 5. No. Alright, found it. I don't know exactly what it did. Let's calculate this again. It had 2 spaces right here. Simply didn't make sense, but we'll go with it. Let's get that 100%. And those 2 green arrows, those 2 green checks. Come on, calculator. Alright, so thank you for checking out this video. We're validating, and there it is, 100%, and there's our 2 green checks. So please hit the like, smash the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks again for joining. Have a wonderful day.